Hi, in this video we'll discuss the cell. Okay, so example, this cell, whatever I wrote in the cell now, in which cell you are in. So to see that one example, you just select it here, you are able to see column C and row 5, right? So if you want to see, go to here. Okay, the name box, then in name box it will show which cell you are in. Anywhere, example, you wrote it here. Okay, so which cell you are in? K8 11. So you go to select, go to the name box, you will able to see the name box. So sometimes while recording this video or whenever we are seeing anything, if you are not able to see which cell the cursor is, so you just keep your eyes on this name box, you will able to understand where is the cursor is. Okay, so similarly, if you want to write anything, any text, it will become left alignment. Similarly, if you write some number, it will become right alignment. Okay, similarly, if you will make some error, right, so it will show example 1 divided by 0, so it will show the error. So this is the error message. Okay, similarly, if you want to write some logical function kind of thing, then example true, just see it will come in the middle. False, example this also it will come in middle. Okay, so similarly, if you want to show any numbering format, so you just write it will come in the right alignment. Okay, similarly, if you want to write anything date format, so example you will write date, so year, month and date, so this is called the date format. Okay, so this is how the your cell will look like and how the cell will behave. Okay, so we'll see in the details in my upcoming video, because uh, based on this only everything it will get impacted.